This is unique installation tool for Plusnuts that is you're gonna use to install those threaded nuts. Consists of specific driving bolt, specific washer, and this fender washer with washer with tooth, not to prevent from sliding. And you're getting this wrench to hold it. So 10 nuts and 10 of those threaded inserts. It's going to be packed in a plastic bag, and you're going to receive this all stuff. You don't have to look for any parts after. You can put your ladder racks in on the top of the roof. You can put electrical box, anything where you don't have access from the other side to put nut. Now we looking at all these, and now you're getting a good video how to install these threaded inserts, those Plusnuts. For example, you have flat surface, doesn't matter. It's going to be roof of your vehicle to put ladder rack or any other flat metal surface, and you don't have access from the other side, for example. You can always use those. Let's drill a hole. This drill bit, you'll need drill bit 3/8, and you will need impact driver 7/16 socket, and you're gonna use a wrench that you'll find in a package. So you insert, you put it, hold it with a wrench, and then reverse. You got it installed. You got it installed, and now you can use it. It opened the flange from the other side, so it's safe and secure. If you don't have impact driver, that's okay. You still can use it with our wrench that you'll find in the package. It's the only one thing, you need another wrench, 7/16, to drive it just like that. You put inside, you hold it, and with this wrench, you just do it just like that. You see, it's expanding from the other side. 45 seconds, done. So you put it on reverse just like that and screw it. And the second Plusnut already there. You can use it. You can take whatever you need to attach and just attach it. Just like that. So it's a universal, unique tool. If you have it in your toolbox, you're always going to be fine. So any job can be done easy.